never do my vlog. Mine is 10.89.
Okay, I want to try the dark one first.
Virgin try. Mango. Mango ice. So 我们要买这个，因为他要拿什么？要拿什么？要拿月老哎，是要拿月老哎。
真的？
对。
哦，而且这个也是不错。
我要这个也是。
这个也是不错。
OK。
有钱嘛，有钱就好。健康。MNG Life. And we got this.
It's like this. She influenced me. 你都有 choice 哎。
我剛 put it on our lanyard. Eh, you got put it on your lanyard?
Have. But I want to show them where I work.
Okay, fine. Got it.
Hey, tell them which one you want first.
I want. Okay, there's no picture.
She want this one.
And then also.
I also want this one.
And also the 财神爷.
I want anything actually, but except for this one lah.
What's that? You don't anyhow say.
Hey, sorry.
1, 2, 3. Oh my god, crazy. What's that? The one?
Hey, I got the one I don't want. It's not.
Your one is the. Yeah, it is.
It's not.
Oh, it's this one.
Huh. I don't want this one eh.
Show.
Huh.
No more already. We talk too loud. Maybe we talk too long.
It's also cute eh. Where are we now?
Sunday to Marina Square to come back. I told you it's Marina Square already.
See how happy you are. Yeah.
Time to open.
It's a new series of hockey. Okay, I want this one, or this one, or the B. Actually, anything is okay. But I just want the mushroom and this one and this one. 要看卡吗
OK， 我帮你看看。
Oh,
I don't think it's the one that you want 你看啊。
还没有。哎，我看到了。Is this one?
Cute 啊。
Okay lah. Open? I don't want open. Okay, for me, I want this one or this one. I'm okay with anything.
I don't want this one.
不可以讲多嘛。
Okay, I want this one. This one. This one.
The Malay, 另外一边 Okay. Okay. At least you got 2 options to choose, right? In my pen. Oh, the cute. You wanna? Okay. I bought another one. Okay. Hopefully this is a mushroom, okay? to. Okay, wow. Another unboxing with me of the month. So Sarah bought this for me, and we saw this last week, but I didn't buy it because it was too expensive. It was $19. So she bought it for me, and she surprised me just now. So this is the option. Okay, I wanted this or this, either these two. I'm not gonna say anything because I'm scared that I might get the one I don't want. But I either this or this. Oh, or this one. This one also quite cute because the rear is like go down. So let's open it up. I got the one I want. The third option because the rear is flipped down. Okay lah. Very cute. This is the process of what I'm doing.